In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a phone number from your PayPal account. Whether you've updated your contact information, need to correct a mistake, or simply wish to manage your account details more effectively, this process is quite straightforward. It's important to remember that PayPal often requires at least one verified phone number for security purposes, especially for features like two-factor authentication or account recovery. Therefore, if you currently only have one number listed on your account, you might first need to add a new one before you can successfully remove the old one. We'll guide you through the exact steps to navigate your PayPal settings and remove any unwanted phone numbers from your profile. To begin, you'll need to log into your PayPal account using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once you are successfully logged into your account, look for the Settings icon. This icon typically looks like a small gear or a cog. On most PayPal interfaces, you'll find this icon prominently displayed in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, usually located near your name or profile picture. Clicking on this gear icon will take you directly to your account settings page. This page serves as your central hub for managing personal information, security preferences, payment methods, and various other account details. Once you're on the account settings page, you'll see various sections dedicated to different aspects of your account. Our next step is to find your personal information, specifically your contact details. You'll typically need to scroll down the page or look for a section clearly labeled Phone Numbers, or sometimes Contact Information. Within this section, you'll find a list of all the phone numbers currently associated with your PayPal account. Carefully identify the specific phone number you wish to remove from your profile. Next to each listed phone number, you'll observe a small icon composed of 3 vertical or horizontal dots. This icon is a standard way to indicate More Options or to open a context menu for that particular item. Click on these 3 dots positioned directly beside the phone number you want to delete. This action will reveal a small drop-down menu with further options for that specific phone number. After clicking the 3-dotted icon, a brief menu will appear on your screen. Among the options presented within this menu, you should clearly see the word Remove. Go ahead and click on this Remove option. PayPal will then likely prompt you with a confirmation message, asking you to verify that you are indeed sure you want to remove the selected phone number. It might also provide a reminder about any implications, such as how you receive security codes or important account notifications. Take a moment to carefully review this message to ensure you're removing the correct number and that you understand any associated changes.